Morning slide down the glass, coffee gone cold, time dripping too fast. Old coat on the chair, your book half open, left curtain breathing and out, room full of what's not said. Window still wet, but the fire long out. Raindrops stop, say your name so loud. Can't dry this day, can't unforget. House still quiet, and the window still wet. One last spark in the dark, your laugh in the hall, like a faded watermark. Street hum far away, kettle singing off key, clock hand limping round like it's waiting here with me. Windows still wet, but the fire long out. Raindrops stop, say your name so loud. Can't dry this day, can't unforget. House still quiet, and the window still wet. Finger trace your face in the water on the page. Line by line it falls, you disappear again. I pull the latch, but the air still holds your breath. Sky breaks open, and the window still wet. Gray sky morning, coffee in a chipped tin cup. Old boots by the doorway, still late, still waiting. Rain on the zinc roof, soft like a mother's hum. Ash in the tray, cold nights, last trouble gone. Calendar curling, same page 3 months long. Clock by the window, ticking, but it feels unstrung. Weathered calm, blowing through these tired bones. I've been bruised, but I'm still here, riding out the storm alone. Weathered calm, every scar a quiet song. I don't bend the cracked maps of where I used to roam. Dog on the back step, guarding like a rolling stone. Neighbors still shouting about the same old sin. I just sit my silence, let the slow air settle in. Weathered calm, blowing through these tired bones. I've been bruised, but I'm still here, riding out the storm alone. Weathered calm, every scar, quiet sound. I don't bend the way I used to, but I stand inside this weathered calm. Let the wind talk low. Let the doubts drift slow. If the sky turns black again, I know, I know, I know. Evening comes, work dust on my hands, lay them down on this borrowed land. Breeze so soft, smoke curl, rise and bend, heartbeat slow, task ends gentle, friend, task ends gently, let the burden slide, task ends gently, leave the wake outside, task ends gently, on this long, low ride, task ends gently. this loosened chest. All day fight, all night heal. Little by little, the pressure reveal. All day storm, all night sand. Trouble washed back from the palm of my hand. Task ends gently, let the burden slide. Task ends gently, leave the weight outside. Task ends gently on this long, low ride. Task ends gently. 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 Phantom window half shut. Same old, same cold cup. And still on this chip pine. Whole world drifting past the blind. 9 to 5, glow on the wall, blue light flicker. I feel small, cursor blink, but my mind flies. Still desk, moving sky. Keyboard dust, coffee ring stains, but my heart ride distant trains. Eyes on numbers passing by. Still desk, moving sky. Still desk, moving sky. Body stuck, but my soul right by. Chair don't shift, but the clouds roll high. Still desk. Still desk, moving sky. Moving sky. Phone buzz, message I ignore. Soul say walk, boss say more. Clock hand drip like lazy time. I drift out on the outside. Rooftop sailing slow and wide. Roads crawl like a sleepy line. Mind take wings, I cannot hide. Outside spinning, I just buy. Still this moving sky. the clouds roll high. Still desk, moving sky. Moving sky. Every stamp, every file, every tide reply. Feet on the floor, but I climbed that horizon line. Paper stay flat, but the hills roll by. My name in the system, my dream in the sky. Still dust, moving sky, moving sky. Body stuck, but my soul right by. Chair don't shift, On the rooftop, on the road, on the anger we once carried, on the secrets we still hold. Let it fall.
Just the rain and this drum
fear my heart can hide. Nothing loud today. Let the low bass pray. Let the troubles drift away. Nothing loud today. Just the room, just the rain, and this drum on my vein. Nothing loud today. Tin roof ticking, clouds hang low. Coffee cup cooling, watching time move slow. Bare feet on concrete, smell of damp red clay. Storm on the hillside, rolling my thoughts away. Rain fades slowly, dripping off my window. Wash this worry down the old stone road. Rain fades slowly, carry what I can't hold. Let it roll, till my heart feels whole. Old shirt clinging, skin still warm. Steam on the glass pane, draw your name in form. Dog by the doorway, half asleep, half aware. Thunder like a heartbeat far off somewhere. Rain fades slowly, dripping off my window. Wash this worry down the old stone road. Rain fades slowly, carry what I can't hold. Let it roll, till my heart feels whole. Each drop a little memory, falling from the leaves. Soak into the garden bed, roots where I can't see. If the sky keeps opening, I'll stay right here and breathe. Let the dark get lighter as it runs out to the sea. Rain fades slowly, dripping off my window. Wash this worry down the old stone road. Rain fades slowly, carry what I can't hold. Let it roll, till my heart feels whole. strong. On the table, Bible page fold over, far sound of thunder, way past the border, fan blade humming in an offbeat spin, world keep calling, I just don't plug in, quiet finished up, let the echo run, deep bass hold me till the morning come. Quiet finished up, hear the heart go one by one. Nothing in a hurry, but the spell's still strong.
Sky morning, bare feet on the cool earth ground. Old news on the table, same war in a different town. Your voice on the radio, talking like you're half a to me.
From a chipped tin cup, clouds bend low, but the sky won't give up. Old dogs sleep by the half-closed door. Wind hums soft like a chant from before. Long rain groove, let the thunder roll right through me. Heartbeat, you be the drum that still pursue me. Long rain groove, wash the trouble off my mind. Long rain groove, take your time, take your time. Watch the smoke rise, slow from my hand. Little breeze twist it, carry it over the land. Oh, clock ticking, but I don't chase time. Every breath stretching past the borderline. Hours pass softly, like water on stone, rubbing down worry, leaving me alone. Hours pass softly, in rhythm, in rhyme, heart on the offbeat, drifting out of time. Sun lean lazy on a rusted roof. Children laugh distant like a fading proof. Teacup cooling on the window rail. All my heart feelings dissolve, grow pale. Hours pass softly, like water on stone, rubbing down worry, leaving me alone. Hours pass softly, in rhythm, in rhyme, heart on the offbeat, drifting out of time. Let the day fall, let the night rise, let the old pain echo, then vaporize. Every small moment, sacred and slow, I breathe it in deep, then I let it go. Hours pass softly, like water on stone, rubbing down worry, leaving me alone. Hours pass softly, in rhythm, in rhyme, heart on the offbeat, drifting out of time. Slow drift evening, eyes half open, mind sunk low. Clock on the wall keeps breathing, but time moves soft, moves slow. Smoke curls the ceiling, fan spin circles round my head, heart still healing. table, ring of water, old stain line, same old label on this feeling I call mine. You talk then vanish, voice turned dust in the delay. from the cup. Rain on the zinc roof. Morning moves gentle. Heart finding its truth. Page on the table. Ink taking its time. One quiet question cut through the mind. Clear thinking drizzle fall on my head. Wash off the trouble, cool down the dread. Clear thinking drizzle, soft and simple, drop by drop. I feel it settle. Phone face down, news far away. Feet on the floorboard, breathing in the day. One slow rhythm, walk through the chest. Doubt gets smaller, breath get blessed. Clear thinking drizzle, fall on my head. Wash off the trouble, cool down the dread. Clear thinking drizzle, soft and simple, drop by drop. I feel it settle. Let it fall all the way down, past the worry, past the frown. Drip through the fear, deep in the bone, till I can't stand, easy alone. Clear thinking drizzle, fall on my head. Wash off the trouble, cool down the dread. Clear thinking drizzle, soft and simple, drop by drop. I feel it settle. Gray day breathing, clouds hang heavy and low. Kettle arms in the kitchen, I'm moving a gentle slow. Raindrops right on the window, tiny rivers trace my view. Street sound softened in the distance, every droplet draws me in. Rain, rain holds focus. Let the outside fall and spin. Rain, rain holds focus. Heartbeat rocking like a hymn. Rain holds focus. And I remember where I've been. like overcast, shadows moving slow, they pass, waiting on the break of sun at last. But I'm living with a mind like overcast, shadows moving slow, they pass, waiting on the break of sun at last. But I'm living with a mind like overcast. But deep in the dark, there a spark, there a flame, tiny little glow, calling out my name. Part the gray slow, let it fall, let it pass. Sunrise, hiding in the overcast. Mind like overcast.
Ash in the tray, clock stuck on two, fan home drifts, same as my mood. Curtain half closed, street hum low. I breathe in slow, let the gray noise flow. Gray noise flow. Carry my mind so low, wave after wave, wash all the hard days away. Gray noise flow, I let the whole world go. Cup on the table, ring of old tea, message on red, still haunting me. Mind like smoke, rising then slow, fade through the room, let the gray noise flow. Gray noise flow, carry my mind so low, wave after wave, wash all the hard days away.
half asleep.
Shop lights dim, doors closed. Steam from a pot on the corner, smell of thyme in my clothes. Oh. Old man humming, reads his paper slow, says every storm pass you. Then he nods, lets it go. Slow night room, heartbeat under the moon. Let the bass line talk, we ain't leaving here soon. Slow night room, time that mind feel loose. In this deep, deep groove, I remember my truth. You pour a drink, ice crack, soft and sharp. Turn your chair to the window, catch a breeze in the dark. Laughter in the distance, dark bark then fade. Every echo feels sacred, every shadow feels safe. Slow night roots, heartbeat under the moon. Let the bass line talk, we ain't leaving here soon. Slow night roots, time and mind feel loose. In this deep, deep groove, I remember my truth. Let it roll, let it ride, all my worries drift wide. Name them once, let them slide like the smoke in the sky. Let it roll, let it ride, every burden untied. In this slow night I find little pieces of life. Slow night roots, heartbeat under the moon. Let the bass line talk, we ain't leaving here soon. Slow night roots, time and mind feel loose. In this deep, deep groove, I remember my truth. Soft static rain on the zinc rooftop. Old kettle humming, water almost hot. Bare feet, cool floor, incense in the hall. Hear your name in the thunder, then nothing at all. Soft static rain, wash my worries slow. Let the night fall twice before I have like soft static rain. Soft static rain.